Memorial Day, pool's open though.
Yep. Oh, have people
Swimming in the cold water.
swimming is so cold.
In the middle of the desert.
The middle of the desert. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, we're going to Farmington. This by Farmington. Microphone if we can afford or not. Expensive.
Oh.
Let's go.
Still 6?
Yeah,
41.
6:41 p.m. now. But still have sun, RJ. In Philippines, so dark now that. Here's the model house.
I want to go.
Yeah, we're going. Okay.
Yep.
I have a view of the mountains. Memorial Day, pool's open though.
Yep. Oh, have people
Swimming in the cold water.
swimming is so cold.
It's freezing.
My goodness. After the pool.
Okay, up here is where you wanted to live. Right?
And there
Was
it
it
is.
It wasn't the first lot, it was the third. Available.
That there.
That was the one, wasn't it? It's available.
Yep.
Available.
There have a wood. Maybe sold that there next to the wood.
Oh yeah, they did. Yeah.
Oh, they dig now there. Look.
Available.
Up there, digging now.
These were the two lots we were looking at.
Yeah, there. It's sold right away there.
So it wasn't this one. I wanted the next one. This one. It's gonna be a long time before they sell all these. Unless the
Yeah.
price drops. Oh, a third one's going in. I didn't see this one.
Yeah, up there too. There is.
Well, look at the available. This must be a spec home.
Yeah.
Look at it. It cuts away all the mountain. It's a small house too.
Yep.
There you go. This is right behind the factory. Available. See the factory over there?
Not want that.
That's a garage pit. You know.
Yep.
And there's the high school.
There is the high school so close. It's brand new. It's a big house, look. At this house. And have other there.
Sold.
Yep.
Get a view of the church. These back here. Available.
At that house, so big. White house.
Available right here. It's cul-de-sac lot.
Yep. Cul-de-sac.
In the parking lot, you got the view of the path.
There's cul-de-sac available. Big.
They sold right away.
Yep.
Cul-de-sac looking at the mountains. There. This one or that one? I wanted those. Couldn't get it. Sold.
Yeah,
It's-
that's so expensive.
They sold. And you're in the 700s here now.
And there's the high school, high rated. There we go.
Can't see the kid. They're so little. They let them run around these trucks. You know. They spent $25,000 in landscaping too, putting the
Wow.
stone wall, the cement
My
wall.
God. A wall.
It's supposed to be the Millionaire Club up here. Nobody wants that little fence anymore.
So nice neighborhood here. Look at the landscape.
You have to pay
It's
for it.
pretty nice.
In the middle of the desert.
The middle of the desert. Look like not a desert. Many trees and grass.
Partly cloudy. Clouding up at 12 a.m. Midnight tonight. We're gonna have have rain tonight and tomorrow morning. Might be wet when we go to school.
Yup, your program tomorrow, RJ.
Oh yeah, on Wednesday we can't go. Like a field day.
Have other subdivision there. It's brand new. Cannot see.
Road is closed. They're finally fixing it. Put the butt pipes in there. Detour.
Detour. This brand new house, this too.
We'll take this detour.
Big, huh? It's brand new.
Look at that, a pit right there. They're
Yeah.
gonna fill it in.
Yeah.
They already started. Put another house on the corner.
I like here. This house here.
When we look at
Someone
Yeah, we
stole
look
our
at there.
what?
RJ?
Someone stole our Honda.
Oh no, they got it.
We just say there he is. The
We were
mountain.
looking at right here. Remember?
The mountain,
That kept
RJ.
bothering us right there.
Yeah.
Kept going away.
Farmington.
Yep, this is Farmington.
Yep, this Farmington, RJ. Look at this. I like here, RJ. Farmington, but it's
Too expensive.
so expensive here.
Lived down 300s, some are 320.
Yep.
Starting in the low threes.
This is the station part there. There. Inside there. In the middle. The middle of the building there. But we're going to Best Buy. I see it, the Best Buy. You see it, RJ? There is the Best Buy there.
Going all the way down.
Yeah.
There's no aisle.
A big plug there too. There is plug there.
Not as big.
Yeah. Up here, Ultra. This is the beauty shop. Up there, Ultra.
Ultra Beauty.
Ultra Beauty there inside.
Marshalls.
And here is the Best Buy.
Back.
Oh, Marshall. There's the Best Buy.
Best Buy. Best Buy.
There is Best
Best Buy.
Buy.
Best Buy.
We here now Best Buy. Look at that Best Buy. How many people there?